Assalamu alaikum, my dear learners. How are you? I hope that you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah, and I am also well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am Sheikh Muniruzzaman, Assistant Teacher in English, Mudugram Islami Alim Madrasa, Dumuria Khulna. Today, I am going to take a class from your English grammar and composition on future continuous tense. In future continuous tense, in affirmative sentence, I have written, I shall be eating rice. In future continuous tense, in affirmative sentence, you will write at first subject. Here, subject I have written I. Next, we will write shall or will. Next, you will write be. Next, you will add ing at the end of the main verb. Next, object or extension you can write. So I have written, I shall be eating rice. It is an example of affirmative sentence. I shall be eating rice on future continuous tense. Next, I have written an example of negative sentence. I shall not be eating rice. Dear learners, look at the whiteboard and see carefully. At first you will write subject, next you will write shall or will. According to subject, I have written shall. Next you will write not. In negative sentence you will have to write not after shall or will. Next you will write be. Next you will write main verb and you will add ing at the end of the verb. Next you will write object or extension. So I have written, I shall not be eating rice. It is an example of negative sentence on future continuous tense. Next, I have given an example of interrogative sentence. Shall I be eating rice? It is an example of interrogative sentence on future continuous tense. Shall I be eating rice? At first we will take shall before subject as I have written. Shall I be eating rice? At first you will write shall or will before subject and you will write subject. Next you will write be. Next you will write main verb and you will add ing at the end of the verb. Next you will write extension or object. Next, I have given an example of negative interrogative sentence. Shall I not be eating rice? Shall I not be eating rice? My dear learners, look at the whiteboard and see carefully. I have written at first shall. Next I have written subject. Next I have written not. Next I have written be or next I have written eating. At last, I have written object or extension rice. So, when you will write negative sentence, you will have to bring at first shall before the subject, as I have brought shall before the subject I. Next, after subject you will write not, next you will write be, and next you will write main verb, adding ing at the end of the verb. Next you will write object or extension. My dear learners, thank you for your taking part on my online class today.